Good morning, guys. What we're going to do today is a proper way of cleaning your makeup brushes and beauty blenders. So, guys, you just run some lukewarm water, and what I do, I take Dawn dishwasher liquid and put it in my hand, guys. Take the brush, wet the brush, and I start waving the brush back and forth in my hand. If you guys can see, you can see all of the makeup coming off. And you just keep going back and forth with the makeup brush in your hand till you can see all of the makeup is coming off. When all the makeup come off, your subs will come more clear, not pinkish like it was when I first started doing the washing of the brush. And I rinse it. I will rinse it. And I go over it again. I just want to make sure that all of the makeup is out of the brush. And then you, again, and if you guys can see now, the suds are more white. And it lets you know that your makeup brush is free and clear from makeup. Okay? And then you're just going to rinse it really good. And then depending on what type of hair your makeup brush is, I like to use the Dawn, but I also, from time to time, if I got really good brushes, I would use hair shampoo. Because depending on what your brush is made with, and it'll soften your makeup brush back up. I use a really nice hair shampoo, and that'll soften your brush back up, or conditioner. But if you guys can see, all of the makeup is out. So now we're going to move on to cleaning a beauty blender. So you guys see the beauty blender? I take this beauty blender, put a little Dawn in there, guys, and the same thing. I just keep moving that around in my hand to get all that makeup out. Keep moving it around. Keep moving it around. Because what happens, guys, over time, if you notice when you're cleaning your makeup, when you're trying to put your makeup on, and you keep getting like a squeaky face, and like your makeup don't seem to be applying good, that's saying your brushes is dirty. So you got so much buildup on your makeup brush. You see all that makeup coming out of this beauty blender? And this beauty blender is kind of beat up, but I love this one the best. But when you see that you're getting more streaks, that's letting you know that your makeup brush is dirty. So you're going to have to keep cleaning it so that you can get a flawless foundation. So if you ever look at your makeup and be like, man, my makeup is looking cakey. And so if you guys can see, the beauty blender is starting to come clean. See, when you squeeze it and more of the foundation come out, just keep washing. Beauty blenders take a little bit longer to clean. So the last thing, I'm going to show you guys how to clean if you guys got this. So what I'm going to do with my beauty blenders, I'm actually going to sit them in a bowl and put some dishwashing liquid in there, and I'm going to let them soak. I'm going to let these soak a little bit so that they can really get all of the makeup out. So I'm going to let these soak a little bit. They take a little longer to clean because they're a sponge. So guys, if you guys got the color swatch, this is a brush cleaner. So this is how I clean this. I take this and put the dishwashing liquid on there and rub it in my hands together like this. And what this doing is cleaning. You guys see how the makeup is starting to come out? This is cleaning your color swatch, because if you don't clean these, what's going to happen is that your brushes is not going to come clean. You'll keep swiping it across this, but at the same time, you're picking up color. See how much makeup is in there? So these have to be cleaned as well. So just maintain clean makeup brushes, guys, and your applications will be flawless. So I'm going to do that again. So, and if you guys are familiar with this is a color swatch. So what the color swatch does, in between when you haven't got time to clean your makeup, you see this one's clean now. It's coming out white. when you guys don't have time to clean your makeup brushes, what you do with this is you rub your makeup brush across this, and it'll take off the excess makeup, and then you can go in with your other color. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, yes, clean them makeup brushes. Don't leave them dirty, because your makeup is not going to be flawless. So yes, the color swatch, and then I just pretty much take the little container, rinse that out real good. And then I just lay them out, guys, and let them dry. And by tomorrow, they're going to be ready for my next application. So once I clean this, I don't stick it back in the container right away. I let it actually dry. And then when it dry, I'll put it back. So I just kind of lay it like that. And I just spread my brushes out on my counter. And I let them dry, and they be ready for the next application. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these are your makeup brush all clean. So lay them out and let them dry. By the morning, they will be ready. So yes, cleaning them brushes will give you a flawless application. If you're seeing streaks in your makeup, that's an indication that your brushes are dirty. Or if it seems like you have a buildup. Here, guys, it's just dishwashing liquid in a bowl. I'm going to pre-soak the beauty blenders because they take the longest to clean. That's it in water, guys. And once your beauty blenders is clean, the soapy water will be clear. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.